Yeshi channel. This is your mommy Mimi. To those who are new in my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. To those who are old in my channel, welcome back you guys. Hello. So today I'm gonna take you inside my fridge, what I got inside. I'm gonna show you guys everything in there. Okay?
Do you want to know? Well, I think I'm about to.
So hi guys, welcome back. Good morning. Today is 11:30 in the morning. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna clean up my fridge because it looks so messy. There you go. I don't know kung anong matatawag nyo dito, but it's so messy. So we start up here. Oh god, there's the water. I got so much stuff in here. So I'm gonna declutter and clean it up. I don't know kung makiklean ko ba siya kasi same. See, these are all my butter for my baking whatever. It's been a while that I don't cook or bake. I'm tired. I'm kinda like so lazy this week. I mean the whole month though. I don't know why. So let's go start up here. Up there is the butter. These are prawns. I need it. I eat it. Me and my husband eat that. I got here at the back. This is yogurt. This yogurt, guys, Yeshi, stop. I'm recording. This yogurt, I use it for my hair. It's expired already, but you can eat it, but I'm not eating it. I just use it for my hair once in a while. So I got this, I don't know, mild samjang. What? You say hi to them?
I want dinner here.
Okay. So it's so early, so she's having fun. I bought this last week. So samjang, I don't know how to, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat it with vegetable or what. Please comment down below, my Korean friends. I just bought it. I'm curious. I've seen it a lot of, blogs in my Laarn's vlogs. I've seen her eating this, or I think she mentioned this, so I'm kind of curious. Here I got leche plan. You guys, I baked leche plan, and I'm gonna put it there. I got a bunch of eggs. I'm gonna transfer that here later on. We got so much egg. Here is Yeshi's orange juice. This is another leche plan. I just baked it the other day. Guys, this is ham. This is turkey ham. My husband eat this. That's the only ham that we can eat. This is what? Unicorn. This is something sweet. And here we got cheese. Low fat cheese. Mayonnaise. Here we got yogurt. So pinapapayat na ako ng asawa ko kasi ang taba ko na raw. So, and this is the important thing in my life. So hindi nakakaalam, I always have this every morning. No food in my tummy first, then I take this one. It's really good. I feel so healthy. Sa hindi nakakaalam, turmeric is very healthy. It is anti-cancer. So before eating or taking anything, that's the only thing I drink. I take turmeric. I have turmeric powder and the real one. So again, here is the strawberry. Yeshi's, that's Yeshi's. Another eggs. So, and this is the mukbang grapes. Lilinisin ko siya mamaya. So, Here, I'm just showing you a bit because so ito yon. We have this milk. This is red one is whole milk. This is for Yeshi. And here we also have almost done, almost over. So this is chocolate milk. I like drinking this. This is Smith chocolate milk. Particular that store, they are only selling this one, the Smiths. So I like it. Tumunog na yung fridge ko. And this one here, as you can see, is different cup. Red is for toddlers. This is the whole milk. And the blue one is for adults. So this is for us. And it fat free, I believe. So this is 2% milk. Okay. So here also, we have this prawn juice. This is for my husband kasi he is always constipated. So he need a prawn in his life. And this is my half and half milk. This is what I used when I was baking a leche pan, and you can also use this to make ice cream. Substitute. Half and half is nice. So here, so much stuff. Mozzarella cheese. See guys, ang daming cheese. Those are cheese. These are apples kasi wala na akong mapaglagyan, so I would rather put it here on top kasi madaling mabulok kasi it's still summer here in Vegas, so medyo mainit. Okay, and these are cheese also. What do you got? Ito yung cheese ko guys. I got 3 bags of cheese. I think these are all 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get another. This is also a cheese, different types of cheese I think. Okay, so here, these are butter, and ito po, another cheese. Ibang cheese din yan. Ito, cheese din to. Ito po, cheese din yan. Tapos here, meron din tayo dito, cheese. Saka meron akong, I got cheese here for sandwich also. You see? Ang dami-daming cheese. Parang cheese na kaya nako-constipated eh. Kasi cheese lahat. Tsaka yung pinaka-special ko is bagoong. Okay?
So here's yung fruits. Ito, every morning gumagawa ako ng celery, carrots, apple, and orange juice. Mix together, so yung iniinom ko. We have fruits, gulay here. Potato. Ito mga gulay-gulay yan dyan. Tsaka dito, gulay. Gulay. Ito. Meron akong plum. I like this. It's sweet. This is my favorite little apple. The small one. It's super crunchy, super sweet. So, kumakain ako niya. I'm tired and sick eating apple here every day. So, pero yan yung kinakain ko. So, meron din ako ditong onion na red. Tomato, carrots. Ito yung greens ko. This is for my salad. Ito yung spinach. Okay, I use this one as a substitute if ever wala akong malunggay. So, nagluluto ako ng tinola. I use that one. Okay, so these are the sweet orange, the small one. And ito yung mga sahog luya. I got so much luya also kasi alam niyo yung when pandemic time, ang mahal ng luya. So, nag-ipon ako. Baba tayo here. Look guys, so gulo. So here, ay Diyos ko, ayaw ko talaga siyang hilain kasi hindi ko mahihila. Oh my goodness. So ito, it's combination of wonton. I'm saving this because every time nagluluto ako ng soup, yan, for soup. This is bun, Chinese bun, pork bun, purple sweet potato. Ito yung mga juice ni Yeshi. Kasi gusto niya yan. So, meron din ako doon sa taas, ready to drinks, at meron din akong naka-frozen. So, this one guys, this is pastel. Alam niyo suman, this Puerto Rican pastel. It made of different flavor. It has it has pork, chicken, and fish. So, my mother-in-law pre-made all that kasi just in case we're craving for Puerto Rican pastel, lulutuin lang namin siya and it's ready to eat. Ito. Hala, namatay yung ilaw. So, kasi kanina pa nakabukas. So, yan po. These are Puerto Rican, Chinese, and whatever. Ito, this is pork. This is pork sauce barbecue. Ito po yung hot pocket. My husband eat this. I don't like that. It's microwavable food. I don't eat that. Ito yung sauce for barbecue or alam mo yung taco. This is for taco. Ito meron akong for patty. That's patty. Chicken patty. Ready to eat and I don't like that. Put it back. This color. And here also, this is nuggets. I got fish sticks. Chicken. This is big old chicken. And ito po yung paborito ko na noodles. This is Chinese noodles. Wala akong sauce, so I'll just keep it frozen. These are some meat. Yung sineparate ko siya kasi, you know, alam mo yung pag when you're cooking munggo, ito, pang sahog yan. Ito yung favorite ng husband ko. Red bean. Sometimes nabili kami ng maraming flavor. Masarap dito yung durian flavor pero naubusan sila. So ito na lang yung natira sa amin. And these are frozen that is going to work. Put it down. Why are you holding that? So ito po yung how you call that? That's some frozen peaches. Peaches? Yeah, I'm doing my vlog, you guys. So ito. These are frozen egg. Oh, Yeshi, why you step on that? You're heavy. And this is pahita, chicken pahita. And another chicken, you guys. And ito yung meat. This is I used to cook for carnitas. This one is meat. Laki-laki. Yeah. Okay, so mamaya, I'm gonna show you kung malilinis ko pa ba siya kaya or what. So na-turn off yung light kasi it's been a while na nakabukas. So maglilinis tayo, guys.
Ito po yung mga sauce. I got this one is Puerto Rican mojito. I use that every time I cook tostones, plantain. Yung saging po nila dito, we called it plantain, the different variety of banana. So this one, like this. So plantain, only green na kulay, pwede natin gawing tostones. It's like banana fritters but a little bit better taste. This one is, ito yung favorite barbecue sauce namin. I bought it at Walmart and it's very cheap. Makikita nyo po doon, I got so much sweets. Those are for my little one. I just hide it because I don't want her to, you know, if she knows where I put it, she keep coming back and forth and get all the stuff in one day. So I don't want her to eat so much sweets. Ito, the sauce. Meron din tayo dito olive stuff. Ayan. Ito yung sushi unagi sauce. Sushi. Just Japanese. And a lot of stuff here. Ito yung egg ko. Ang nag-iisang itlog maalat. Naubos ko na. So here, ito po yung sa mojito mix. Sometimes, you know, when there's a family gatherings, we have cocktails. So ito yung mixture. What else I have here? Katsu sauce. You know, it's more of Asian here. At saka, this is my favorite mayonnaise from Japan. Actually, ubos na siya, pero may kunti pa. I like it when I eat fish, especially salmon fish. Dip with that one is real good. Here also, peanut butter. I mean, yeah, it's a peanut flavored sauce. It's really good. I was eating this the other day. I'm dipping my, ano yun, yung dahon ng I forgot, yung dahon ng ano ba yun? Yung dahon ng kamote. Kamote tops. I dip with that one. Ito Mang Tomas, guys. Ito yung for my salad. These are balsamic and ranch butter, mixed butter. At saka yung pinaka-importante sa buhay ko, pag nakikrave ako, tinago ko pa talaga siya. Tada! Bagoong. Ayan, itago natin kasi mga ngamoy. So, ito yon dito. Tsaka here we go again. Another cheese. Cheese, this is mild cheddar. I think the small one is mild cheddar. And also, this is cheese for sandwich. I got here, this is my husband eat this. Queso cotija. This is like Mexican style of cheese. You can eat it in your burrito, tacos, you know. It's so good. This is butter. Also for my salad. I recommend this to use this, guys. It's very healthy. Blueberry balsamic and it tastes good. Water. So yun po, ibabalik ko pa siya. Ito lang yung laman ng rest ko. So, ito ibabalik ko yung leche plan. Kasi, I was baking that the other day. Tapos, tatlo yan. Kinain ng asawa ko yung isa kagabi. Tapos, kakainin niya naman yan pag-uwi. He's already out for work. So, yan. Ito yung yogurt. So, ito. This is my favorite chocolate milk. Bought that in Smith's here. So, yan lang po. Ayaw ko siyang i-touch kasi I don't know, parang natatamad ako. Tingnan ko pa lang. So, thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Do you want to know?